Name all the babies you know.
I don't know whose dad was baby name. So I don't remember her. Annabelle. Mommy, last time we were at Georgian's house, we were playing upstairs with Annabelle's mom. And they would play with us. So Annabelle was playing with us too. She liked us.
She did?
Uh-huh.
And you like playing with her?
Uh-huh.
What else did you do?
She was studying time there, so she stopped crying. My mom
What car?
stopped crying.
What car?
She tried it. And
Where did it go?
Liked it.
It went down?
Yeah.
Did it go under the couch?
Yeah.
Go get it.
Thanks.
Huh? Okay, can we move the couch back now? Thank you.
Mama!
What?
Mama!
One more?
Yeah.
He said there's one more under the couch. It's too funny. Okay, there, she got it. Now move the couch back. Help her move the couch back, Dee. Oh, you got it? That's a Rio? Or is that the Evo? Uncle Ryan's Evo? You're so strong, Miriam. Yay! Huh? Miriam, brush your hair to your face. Brush your hair to your face. Thank you. I love you. I love you. Do you love me? Dean, do you love mommy?
No.
Why?
Dad.
Do you love mommy?
Mm-hmm.